If your hose is damaged or leaking, or you want to upgrade to a different hose style, then in this video we will walk you through the steps for replacing the hose on the Lincoln 83753 and 83754 hose reels. Additional to the original equipment hoses available, we offer multiple hoses made of different materials to fit specific compatibility needs. For safety, make sure the hose and reel are depressurized. Begin by completely pulling the hose out through the guide and securely latching the spool in place. Next, loosen, then remove the hose tie downs from the reel spool. Using an adjustable wrench, remove the swivel from the axle and feed the end out of the spool opening. Unthread the swivel from the hose end and remove the spring guard. Lastly, remove the ball stop and place it to the side. With the old hose removed, we can now begin the new hose installation process. On the new hose end, you will attach the swivel. First, install the spring guard. Apply a couple wraps of PTFE thread tape or sealant to the hose end threads, then thread on and tighten the swivel. Feed the swivel in through the guide arm rollers, then through the spool opening. Apply a small amount of blue thread locker to the reel axle thread, then firmly tighten the swivel to the axle. Move the spring guard to cover the hose at the edge of the spool opening. Pull enough hose through the opening that won't cause a kink in the line, then tighten down the hose tie downs. On the opposite end of the replacement hose, install the ball stop. Note, before retracting the hose, pressurize the reel and check for leaks. With the hose installed on the reel, unlatch and allow the reel to retract and wrap the new hose around the spool. The hose is now installed, and the reel is ready to use once again. If you have any questions, visit our website or contact our technical support team for assistance.